Catacomb Culture. This is Reverend Alberto Serino, and today we're going to talk about how to pull in energy from natural sources. So sometimes in your life, and this may be more frequently than not, you get tired, drained. Sometimes this is from your thoughts, just repetitive thoughts that keep bothering you. Sometimes it's from just daily stresses, work-related, family, things like that. And you need to recharge. Just like any kind of battery needs recharging, we as beings need recharging as well. It's a simple change in perception. From a standard reality of everything is matter, everything is separate, and everything is physical, to everything is energy, everything is vibration. Because if that's the case, then all these things around me, these trees, this ground, these rocks, everything is alive, and everything can be connected with, and everything has energy to share. So in order to do this, we're just going to find a spot that we really like out in nature. This seems to be a really great spot. I like the moss here, nice beautiful trees around, and we're close to all the water and the waterfalls. A great spot with a lot of good energy. And you'll be able to feel that when you get next to some really nice natural settings. You just feel very uplifted and very happy. And that's the kind of space that you want to breathe and practice drawing energy in from. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just set my bag down. I'm just going to sit down on the moss. Now, there's no right or wrong way to really sit. If you prefer to lay down flat, you can. If you'd like to lay cross-legged, if you like to just kind of sit yourself up, anything works. But what you want to begin to do when you get into this space is first bring yourself into the present moment. So how we do that is we start by just putting our awareness on different parts of our body. Feel your legs, feel your torso, feel your shoulders, feel your head, feel the weight of these things, the weight of your physical body. Sometimes we don't really put our attention on our physical body, but when we do, it helps us ground in the present moment. So we begin to do this, and when we're done, we begin to take nice deep breaths, slow and steady, fully in, and exhale, and in again, and exhale. I'm just going to do this just a few more times, just to really help myself relax and sink into this present moment. You can hear the sounds of the waterfall. I hear some chirping birds. Just keep your attention, feed your senses. Listen to the sounds, feel the ground below you, see what's around you. And then once you're good with that, after a few minutes, 5 minutes or so, some people it takes a little bit longer to kind of sit. It depends on your stress levels. Once you're in there, you begin by envisioning roots growing from the base of your body, just like a tree. And I envision my roots going down through the moss, through the dirt, into the ground, deep into the ground. And I breathe in deeply, and as I exhale, I put my attention down through my roots. And this helps us connect with the earth, ground with the earth. Nice, slow inhales. Exhale. And what I'll do, once I'm nice and grounded, I'll begin to envision a cord or it could be a ribbon, it could be a vine. And we see this reaching out from our heart space, right in the center of our chest, not our physical heart, but our energetic heart space, right in the center. I take deep inhales, and as I exhale, I send that cord out into the waterfall, into the land, and it loops back around. And I envision it coming back up and looping back through my heart space and reconnecting with where it started. So now I have this loop, or you can envision it as an infinity symbol, looping into this waterfall in this land. And it could be anything. You know, we're sitting here next to this beautiful water, but if we were sitting next to a fire, I could envision this cord going out into the fire. If I'm next to boulders, I can envision it going out into rocks. Or if I'm just standing out in my backyard, I can just envision this going down into the grass, into the land, into nature around me. And then back up and create this loop. So now that this loop is created and I'm grounded, I'm just going to begin to breathe again. Slow, deep, full inhales. And as I inhale, I send my attention out along this cord, through the water, through the land. And I exhale and it comes right back up and loops, it comes into me. And as you do this, as you exhale, you may begin to feel tingling sensations in the body. You may begin to feel heat sensations in the body. You may start to calm down more drastically than before. You just continue deep inhales. And bring it into our body. More and more and more. And there's no time limit for this. You could sit here for 5 hours if you'd like, or you could sit here for 5 minutes. It's really a personal preference and what makes you feel good. Continue to do this over and over again. And that's it. That's how you gather energy. Take notice to yourself before you begin, how your mind feels, how your body feels. And then after you stand up and you walk around a little bit when you're done with your practice, take notice again to how your body feels.